Okay guys, so for this final part, we're gonna make some clothes, maybe some accessories, then we'll export this character into a game. I think we're gonna add some nails too, so let's see, we have this modifier on, so we need to apply it. Let's first duplicate the body. It's like Delvaria, full body. Okay, that is going to be right here for us, and then we'll take the duplicated version into the collection. This one we're going to save for later, and this is okay. We're gonna apply the modifier, don't worry. Let's actually duplicate this one first. Now we have 1, 2, and the other one that we throw back. We apply the modifier, then we'll take the loop here. We'll take also the loop here, and here, and here, and here. Let's go F3, select loop inner, which is the first one that we had. Select loop inner, this one. And then we're gonna go Control Shift M, and we'll click here and click expand, and then we'll go, let's see how we are. Okay, then what we're gonna do is we'll duplicate this and we'll separate this, and then we'll click on the object, and with this selected, which is actually the nails in both sides, let me just show you. Okay, this way. Actually, I shouldn't have done that, and the reason is we're going to mirror this. We're going to mirror this, so we can just remain with this side, put the origin into geometry. Let's select everything, go F3, extrude along normals, and then we will extrude it a little bit. Maybe this is enough. We'll check the other nails as well. We'll take everything. Oh, one more thing that I forgot is let's take care of the hand itself. So this one we're gonna call Delvaria nails. We'll hide it. We'll choose the body again. We'll choose this thing, and then we'll choose those as well. Yes, and now we need to mirror. And with this, we're going to click plus twice. And with this whole thing, actually, let's go this much. This much should be enough. And then we're going to click on individual origins. And we're just going to scale down. Let's see where we are. And we're going to slightly push it on the Z axis. Okay, this way we have this little bump here that we can place our nails. Let's just fix the thumb, because the thumb shouldn't go just down, it should go down and a little bit this way. Let's compare it. Compare, that's good. Okay, let's bring back the nails, Delvaria nails. Okay, let's this same thing. Let's push it down a bit and on the X a bit. And then where we are, okay. We'll deal with the thumb in a moment, but first let's choose those the edge of those nails this way. Okay, just the edges. We'll go to 1. We'll click on G and slightly move it forward, just so it will cover the rest of the finger this way. Maybe a bit too much. Let's bring it back. This thing is enough. Okay, great. And how much we have? This is fine. Let's fix the thumb as well. Take this one, compare, pull. Okay, careful when you're moving this, because it's easy to lose the shape like this. Now if we subdivide, it looks much better. The only thing is though, we only have the it's not UV unwrapped. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go give that loop to all of them like this, just a loop in the middle, nothing special. Now it's looking a little better, but this is still not what we're looking for. What we want is to mark seam on all of those. So we'll just mark seam, select the loop with Shift and Alt, and then select, right click, then mark seam. Now what we should do is actually unwrap this individually. So A to select everything, P for separate, and then loose parts. Then we have those different nails. Select this, go U, and then unwrap, minimum stretch. Same with all of those. U, minimum stretch. Same thing. Unwrap, minimum stretch. Unwrap, minimum stretch. Unwrap, minimum stretch. Now when we're going to go to the UV, we have those nice UVs for them. When we'll bake it, it's going to look very nice. Even though it's not exactly the same way, but that's fine. It's fine for us. Okay, let's see if we can share the same UVs with this. But I have a feeling it's going to look funny. So we're just going to keep it the same way. But I want to show you how you can do this. So we have this, the thumb, which has very nice UVs, and we have the pinky with a bit different. So we can click on the thumb, click on the pinky, then F3, copy UV, and click here. Now if we'll choose the pinky, we'll see, oh, it's the same. And in here, it should have been the other way around. So let's try this again. Let's go Control Z a few times, okay, to reverse the process. No, not yet. Okay, now should have done it. Let's see. Okay, amazing. So these are the UVs that we want to give to others. So how can we do this? We're going to do it the other way around. We'll select all of the other fingernails, then the thumb, and then we're going to go copy UV maps. And then when we will choose it, we have those nice UVs on all of them. Okay? And basically we can bake it if we would want to bake it into unified UV. So this is what we get, and that looks much better. The only thing is it still looks like skin, so we have to change it a bit. We'll take this color to here and this to here. Oh, sorry, we should add first. So this is the color of the skin that we have at the moment. We also need to make some lips, maybe, we'll see. And what we need to do is to duplicate it. First we'll select the nails, we'll duplicate it, and instead of Delvaria skin, it's going to be Delvaria nails. Okay, with an underscore if you want, it's not mandatory. We'll switch the sides, and we'll go Control Shift to see what's going on. Seems like not a lot, so we'll get rid of that for now. And let's see what are we missing. Let's try to render. Okay, so we're missing here roughness. Let's go roughness, make it not this much. 0.05 is 0.125 is good. That shouldn't be too much. Let's add another one, put it aside, go white, then we'll compare. Okay, this way. Again, let's check the this is basically what we have on the body. Okay, so this is not what we're looking for. We'll make the scale 5 instead, and then we'll connect it. Okay, but not like this. What we actually want is to separate XYZ. So we'll put this aside. From here, separate XYZ. The XYZ is gonna go in between. And then we are in generator. That's amazing. Here the factor. Let's first move this to here. Oh, we need to apply the scale on all of them. All of this. Control A, all transformation. And now when we have this and we can move it, this we're going to put aside for now. You're going to get a brand new I wanted to show you with the color ramp how this looks like, so I'm just going to quickly connect it to the material output, and now we can fix it in a way that makes sense. So what we're going to do is we will we'll change the rotation here. Okay, let's see if this is giving us the best result. Let's stay with the Z. Let's play with the handle just a bit, make it this much. I think it's good. And let's again play with the rotation so it would make sense. This way is enough. Let's see how it looks like on the other ones. So select all of the nails, select this, copy, link materials. Okay, it looks a bit funky, that's fine. Again, we're gonna fix it. And this is because we're with generated. Once we aligned it with a UV, they all gonna get the same UV. Let's try the other way around, just so we can have a cleaner transformation from here to here. So I want this to be a bit more gentle. Let's put this roughly to here. This should be fine. Okay. Yeah, not perfect, but again, we're gonna bake it so it doesn't make a lot of difference at the moment. Let's connect this to here, go new. Let's give it, I think 2K is enough. Delvaria, nail, fuse. Let's put this aside. Let's create another one. Take this, change the fuse to roughness, because it doesn't need to be exactly 100. This should be enough. We're going to save them both. Click on emission, check the strength to be 1, connect the color that you want. This is what we're baking on the nail here. So let's check the UVs real quick. Let's align them also this way like this, and move it a bit. This one also. Let's check how it looks like. Okay, we're almost there. We're just going to play with the rotation a little bit. Let's put it to 0. Now okay, great. And now when we pull, we have this nice transition and we can bake. So let's select what we want to bake into, go into the scene, go to bake, and at the bottom we're going to change to emission because we connected it into the emission. We select the object we want to bake into, and then we'll click here on bake. Then I'm going to go to the UV, go to the fuse, see that it's baked. Now let's check how it's aligned. This is not exactly what we're looking for, but we can place the nail in here and it would make sense. But right now I want to ensure that this is going to be straight. So I'm going to try another bake. We'll place the rotation to 0, and now we're going to bake. again on the same picture. Go to the UV, see it needed a bit more than what we saw. So in order for this to be straight, it needs to be with an offset. So now not only that we're going to play with the rotation, it's with emission. It's a bit weird. Let me turn it off. Okay, so we were here. Okay, and if I'm looking at it with a right angle, so this is around here, and we need to go this much. Let's also move the line a bit. Okay, but we don't want sharp transposition. Let's make it a little brighter. This much should be enough. Actually, I'm not sure. Oh, this way it looks a bit better, even more natural. Okay, let's leave it like this. It's stylized anyway. It doesn't need to be doesn't need the exact line of when the nail shift, right? Let's keep it this way. Let's keep it this way. Go again to bake. Click here. Dial the strength to 1. Click here on bake. Select the item first, of course, and then click on bake. Okay, click on UV. That looks much better. Click on here. Click on save. I'm gonna save it just a moment. Great, so now we have it, the baked version. We're gonna plug it in. We're gonna go from here to connect it to the UV to see that it's all looking fine. And here in the color, we're just gonna remove it for now. Looks good. And here it's messed up, but we all know why. We're gonna UV unwrap minimum stretch again. Let's rotate this, place it the same way as the thumb, so this way. Okay, again, move, rotate it, scale it a bit. Okay, let's check this one. Okay, as well. Oh, sorry, this shouldn't go like this. Right, so let's just unwrap it again. Select, unwrap. Let's turn this around. Same thing. There's nothing really to explain at the moment. This is why I keep my mouth shut. Just until we're done. One more. Minimum. Place it right here. Place this one right there. Of course, you can perfect it the way that you want. For me, this is going to be an NPC, so not putting a lot of effort at the moment. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, so you have to ensure in order for this to work, you need to have the UV. Let me show you what happened here at the right side. So one side is the bottom, basically that side. See right here. That side, come on, man. See? Yeah, that is actually where we are. That is the bottom. So in here, in order for us to have the white part, we just need to move this up. Okay? So the closer it is to the image, the better result you're going to get, similar to the thumb. So again, you can perfect it the way that you want. I'm just going to move it roughly. It's mainly to show you. Okay, let's keep going. Let's just move this a little higher. This part can be a bit smaller. Move it like this. That's fine. Okay, but in here, a little bit of improvement. Let's get this just a bit higher. And then this part, what are we missing? Okay. And this guy, I didn't even have to. Again, this is the back, but this is for my own OCD. All right, done. Now let's duplicate it to the other side. Let's merge it first, all of this. So to merge, Control J, then go mirror, then go to here, go empty, and you're done. You have nails on the other side as well, and the mesh is already adjusted the way that we wanted. Okay, if you want, you can deform them, you can make the nails a bit better, but that's how it is for now. Okay guys, so this is Dan from PeleousArt. This is the last episode of this character. This is actually not the last because we need to move it to a game engine and check that the character is functioning the way that we're expecting. But at this part we're going to do some clothes, some accessories, maybe we'll paint the, let's say the face a bit. Yeah, the lips, I think we're going to make it a little reddish, and actually let's do it now quickly and then we can take care of the clothes. So this is stylized character. We don't really need any normal map for that, but I can just quickly show you how we can do this. So Control Shift to, oh, I forgot the keys. Let me turn on the keys. Okay, and now with the with the keys on, let's see where we are. So again, Control Shift to connect it with the material output, and then we can play with, the color like this, and check. I'll make it a bit more visible for you guys. You see what's going on here? Basically, we're gonna flip it. This goes to here. This goes to here. Let's make it a little closer to the red like this. Just a little bit. And this guy will maybe this much is enough. Let's see the other way around. Okay, still it's good. Let's add another one just for the reference. Okay, I would appreciate if this would have been closer to this. Yes, and this much should be enough. Maybe a little less on the red side, just this much. And now if we connect it with the, there we go. Horrible. Just kidding. Let's play with the handle here to control how much of the reddish tint we're getting here. Okay, so what would happen if we connect it to normal? How does it work, by the way? We now have a smooth surface, and if I would like to have some normal bumps, I can take the, let's change it real quick. I'll show you the difference. I'll show you what I just did. So this is what it looks like with color. Okay, this is what it looks like with color, the green channel, but we only want the factor. So it's better to connect it to the factor. This way it behaves as a map, a black and white map. See what's going on here? And depending on how black and white the surface is, the noise texture is, basically we're getting the bumps. So how are we even getting the bumps? Let's find an empty space, Shift A, go here, go bump, and then choose this. Let's go from color to height, normal to normal. We'll move this aside. This is just a palette for us. Yes, now if we'll connect the normal with Control Shift again, we can control the bumps. So let's go 025, 025. This is very, very drastic, but we'll lower it. Let's try this much. And now this is still a bit too much. Let's divide this by 75. Sorry. Divide this 75. No. Let's just go 0.075. This is too little. I don't like the way that it's sitting, so we're switching to generated. And let's connect the principal PSDF. This is not what we're looking at. This is what we're looking at. And it's connected to generated. Let's try UVs. That looks much, much better. Okay, so this is going to be our final result. Yeah, that looks very, very nice. Let's connect it to the principal PSDF. Go render. This is way too much. Let's decrease it. Actually, we're going to decrease it from the normal map, so let's just go 0.05, and then we can play from the normal map that we'll put there. But that's amazing. Let's try and invert it. See what we're going to get. No, we'll keep it like this. Keep it like this. Maybe just increase this to be 375. Okay, so I'll show you what's going on here again. By increasing the scale, I'm actually decreasing the general scale of the normal map, the noise texture, and therefore the normal map as well. This just looks a bit more natural. Again, this is very, very high. Let's try 0.25. So this is what I'm hoping to get with the normal map. But at the moment, we'll keep it like this, and then we'll maintain, just lower the bump from the normal map. I'm going to show you this in a moment. Delvaria skin. Let's go diffuse. Let's go 4 texture, just to show you how it looks like. Of course, you can go 2K if you want. I'm just going to tell you that going for 4K is quite demanding for the computer, so you should be aware of that. Let's put here normal. So we'll connect actually, let's go normal first. What's going on here is we will go to the scene, render, go to bake, go to normal, and now we're going to get normal map into here. Okay, what we saw in here. So this is basically what we're baking at the moment. I'm also going to show you how to save it. This way you will understand a bit better how it works. We'll connect it quickly. We'll click here on the normal, click here on normal, and then bake. Now we can check. We'll finish in a moment since this is 4K, so it's a bit... Okay, we can check that everything is alright. Go into here. Okay, checking. Pretty good job. This is very, very swiftly without any specific, tension. We haven't painted anything. Let's click here on image, save as, choose your folder. For me, this is going to be the folder. Go non-color, click on save. All right, great. So we baked this. Now we're going to make some mask for the lips. So we'll go skin mask. Okay, we'll also save it. Save it like this. Save, and then this is this is the diffuse. Okay, never mind. We'll save the diffuse as well. Save as, again, saving the mask also. Now what we're going to do is we will mix this with a mix color for the lips. We'll put this aside just for now. We'll put those here, put those here. This one goes there. And now we're just going to mix something together. What are we going to mix? Let's take all of that. And this is what we're going to do. We'll mix. No, that will look horrible. Let's move those guys aside. Actually, let's move this here. Let's move this there. This way, we have the parameters where we want, which is roughly here. Okay. Again, so this is our factor. Let's connect to the factor. In here, there's going to be the lips. In here, there's going to be the skin, which we worked on. And in here, we're going to plug it together. We'll click here on mix. We'll go Control-Shift to connect it directly to the material output. In here, we don't need that anymore. We'll go this much. We'll go that much on the red. Yeah, then we'll flip. Let's change this into 25. Okay, and now let's see. Let's actually go a little higher, just a little bit. Again, this should not be this dominant. So what we can do is we can move the noise texture and add here a map range. With the map range, the max, the other max should be like this. Oh yeah, 067 is not bad. Alrighto, and in here, which is our factor, we're gonna paint the mask. How does this work? Let's click in here. Go Control-Tab, Texture, Paint. Let's connect our, let's connect first the mask. Let's go Control-Shift on the mask. And then in here, we can just paint. Let's, of course, change it to the appropriate color, not this much. And let's also... Let's go airbrush, not like this. Airbrush with a little bit of stabilized stroke. And in here, we'll also go to here. Paint soft. Go to here. No. Airbrush. Airbrush. Airbrush on both. Okay. Now we're painting. We're painting without the stable stroke, with the stable stroke. There we go. Now we're stabling gently like this. Complete the lips. Just a bit more like that. Compare it with the topology. This is where we are. Okay, maybe a bit more to here. Just no. This way should be enough. And let's smear that to the shape of the lips. Same thing right up here. Okay, so we're gonna fix it with a UV, of course. Let's go texture paint. Let's select what we're working on. So object mode, select the UVs. Let's select the correct image that we're painting on. And in here, we can fix what we wanted, which in this case is going to be the little holes here that we see. So just take the brush and gently aren't we painting? Let's see. I believe we need to save this, so I'd rather do it here. Okay, texture paint. Okay, well, for some reason it doesn't let me do it with with this brush. So let's go back to the regular one. Space. Stabilize stroke. Let's take it off. Okay, and now just fill the holes here. Okay, so this is the inside of the mouth. Of course, we want it to be the same texture as the lips. This is great. Let's go back to here. Okay, that's amazing. Let's check with the color. So connect the principal PSDF. Okay, yeah, that's amazing. That's amazing, but that should be the other way around. This goes to here, this goes to here. This is way too red, way too red. Let's yeah, that looks much better. There we go. I'm thinking of pushing it down a bit. No, we don't really need it. Let's check the reference. And the reference, we don't have a color in. Okay, let's leave it like this. Not the end of the world. Let's bake. Select everything. Select the diffuse we wanted to bake into. Go emission. And now we can act the diffuse, the color we want to bake into the emission. We'll select the diffuse. We'll go back to scene, render, go down, change normal into emission. Click in here. Just before we do this, I want to super lightly just add some dots, just reddish dots. So we'll dial the emission to where it was, just around here, around the eyes. Oh, we're smearing. No, we need to. No, we're not painting the right image. Click here on mask. And now, yeah, but this is way too much. So let's go. This much should be enough. There we go. a little more in here. Let's increase a bit. 1, 2, 5. Okay, great. Also on the nose a bit. Cheeks. A bit on the eyes. In here as well. Okay, great. We don't need more than that. Again, this for me, this is an NPC, but of course you can take it to the limit. You can take it to the limit and, oh, yeah, careful on doing that. You don't want to brush too much of the surface. There we go. Now let's check what we actually did. Okay, yeah. No, the nose doesn't look right. The nose doesn't look right, but we're going to fix it very, very easily. Go to the nose, go to the, not UV, go to texture and paint, and with a brush, very gently, oh, it was already there. Very gently fix what you want to fix. Okay, we're going to smooth it. Don't exaggerate with what you're doing here. Blur. Blur. Okay, we'll take the dark color. Now we'll do the opposite. Blur. Okay, same thing. Just let's try to smear it a bit. This is the middle of the nose, so we want the most to be in here. Maybe less than that. Of course, you guys don't have to do the same as me. This is just a process to enhance the texture painting, but nothing more. No, that looks horrible. I would rather I'll show you how can we quickly fix it. So we can choose the dark color. Okay, we can choose the dark color. Our image just disappeared. Let's try it again. Okay. This is because we hid the UVs. So unhide the UVs, and now let's just start fresh with the nose. Let's go to here, go like this. It's as if we would delete, but we're not going to delete. Instead, we're going to go to here, just paint problematic area, and we'll brush it again from here. So we see that this whole area here is trouble, so we'll just paint it in black. Okay, and let's go white again, just like we did before, but instead of here, here. We can pump up the base a little bit. Great. Now let's merge it. Blur. Sorry, not merge. Okay, a little more on the white. blur, and that's it. Okay. Again, we're going to check. Okay, great. Connect. Let's bake. Click on the fuse. Click on the emission. Connect it back to the emission. This part right here. And the fuse. We're connected to the emission. We're going to click on bake. Okay, great. Clicking here on the UV, click on the diffuse, making sure everything is exactly as we, not the nails. There we go. And this did not work. Why didn't it work? Because we haven't saved the image that we edited, which is this. So we're gonna go to UV, we're gonna go to the image that we should have saved this. Okay, and we will click on save. And now it's gonna work. Click on the fuse, click on your mesh, click on the bake. Now we're also gonna get this reddish tint that we added to the rest of the face. Okay, great. We're gonna do the same. Click here, check, make everything is perfect. Click here, save. Okay, unhide. Go in here, unhide. Unhide. Okay. Click on the layouts. We don't need the emission anymore. Turn it off. Great. We see that everything is perfect. We've got a diffuse here. We've got here the normal map. So we're going to go normal map, strength, sorry, color. In the strength, we're going to go 0.5. So we want it to be lower. Actually, I'm going to show you what it does for you to understand what it does. This is going to be our let's call it skin, Delvaria skin. Okay, here we can change stuff like the. Okay, we're not going to do it. We're not going to do it in the moment because I just wanted to show you how the normal app works. But maybe in some other time we're going to go through how to make it a procedural setting here for the skin. Let's just connect it like this and we are perfect. Okay, normal. Again, so what this does is basically determines the size of the normal we're using. Since we don't want it to be this drastic, we just want it to be 0.5, so we just did 0.5. Now let's render, make sure that everything is perfect, just as we expected. Yeah, basically we can now add the clothes, continue to add the accessories, maybe a little bit of, maybe a hat or something, and that's it. We'll throw it into Unreal or Unity and see how it goes.